Is your INFINITI QX80 key fob not working reliably? It likely needs a new CR232 battery. Fortunately, replacing it is a simple DIY task. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small plastic pry tool or flathead screwdriver. First, locate the seam on the key fob, usually opposite the key blade. Gently pry the case open, avoiding metal tools to prevent scratches or static discharge. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the positive side's orientation. Insert the new battery in the same orientation, ensuring it's securely in place. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. Finally, snap the case back together firmly, making sure there are no gaps. Always dispose of the old lithium battery properly. If the fob still doesn't work after replacement, there may be a deeper issue, like a faulty circuit board, requiring professional service. INFINITI's 2025 QX80 models may display key fob battery levels on the dash screen. Keep an eye out for this feature to anticipate battery changes. Modern trends include more battery-efficient fobs using Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE). Future fobs may even use inductive charging, eliminating battery replacements altogether. But for now, the CR2032 remains standard. If you encounter issues, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the case is fully snapped shut. Improper reassembly is the most common cause of failure.